ampalaya with minced pork. Steam lang siya guys. Lagyan ko siya ng kunting sauce. Yan. So yummy yummy ang ating lunch for today. Yan, saka yung steam na chicken. Wow. Ang ating lunch for today. Yan. Steam na chicken wings. Oh, yan ang ulam ni Bossing for today lunch. At ang ampalaya ay pangpaganda ng cookies. Ayan, in-steam ko lang siya with karne na mince. Yan. Yan ang ulam namin ni Lolo Boss. Happy lunch mode. Yan. At ang ating piniritong fish. Yan. Busog na kami ni Lolo. Yan. Mamayang gabi naman magagawa ko ng dumpling. Yan guys, ang ating ulam ni Lolo Boss. For today, thank you for watching everyone. Happy holiday Monday. Yan. Thank you so much. God bless. Yan. Sobrang lilit sa kusina yan. Niluluto ko yan guys. Oh, diba? Sobrang sarap. Yum yum. Thank you very much.